Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to start class 10th chemistry. There are three parts in the class 10th science. First belong to the chemistry, second belongs to the physics and third belongs to the biology. Dear students, I am going to start chemistry portion. There are 5 chapters in the chemistry. The first chapter in the chemistry is chemical reactions and the equation. Second chapter acid, bases and salts. Third chapter metals and non-metals. And fourth carbon and its compounds. And next fifth periodic classification of the elements. So dear students, today I am going to start first chapter chemical reactions and equation. Dear students, see carefully and after seeing the topics try the questions related with the topic and give your comment in the comment box. Okay dear, let us start. Students, chapter first chemical reactions and equations. Students, first of all, knowing the chemical reactions, you have learned in the previous class about the physical change and the chemical change. Okay, in physical change, you learned that the change in which the substance does not get lost its identity after the change. Like when we tear a paper, it converts into small pieces of paper. When a glass is break, means glass converts into small pieces, but it is glass. So we can say such type of changes are physical change. In case of chemical change, the substance get lost its identity after the change. Just like you can see curdling of milk. When milk change into curd, it cannot reverse in the form of milk. So this is a type of chemical change. Growth of living beings, all the biological process, fermentation in grapes. Dear students, you know, all these are chemical changes. Cooking of food, there are different examples of chemical change in which you can easily know the substance after the change cannot come back in the original form. Okay, such type of changes are called chemical change, and all the chemical changes are chemical reactions. Means you can say the chemical changes are chemical reactions. Means during curdling of milk, a particular chemical reaction takes place. During fermentation of grapes, you know, in fermentations, glucose converts into ethyl alcohol with the help of enzyme gymase. Okay, glucose contain the sorry in grapes large amount of glucose is present. When grapes ripe, and the fungus present on the grapes act as catalyst and convert the glucose into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. This is the fermentation, means it is a chemical reaction. Cooking of foods, you can see when food cooked, you cannot reverse the food in the original form. There is also chemical reactions in between the gradients contents present in the food and the water, oxygen. These chemicals react with each other and converts into another substance. Okay. Biological changes. In biological changes, respiration, nutrition, and different biological processes, chemical reactions are take place. Okay. Dear students, in chemical reactions, new substances with new property are formed. Means you can recognize that the change that will be chemical reactions in which new substance form with new property. Okay, dear students, like example, when oxygen react with a hydrogen, you know, when oxygen react with hydrogen, it forms water. This is a chemical reaction. Okay, dear students. Next example of chemical reactions. When magnesium ribbon, magnesium is a metal with shine surface. When burned in air oxygen is present. Especially magnesium reacts with the oxygen present in the air and converts into white powder. This white powder is magnesium oxide. Okay, this is also a chemical change, means chemical reaction, means we cannot convert magnesium oxide into magnesium ribbon. Okay, so this is chemical change, means a type of chemical reaction. Okay, dear students, how can you know the chemical reaction takes place? For knowing the chemical reaction, we have to focus some points. In chemical change, there may be change in the state, there may be change in the color, there evolution of a gas in a chemical reaction, there may be change in the temperature, okay, and formation of precipitate. Okay, these points by which we can identify there is chemical reaction. Okay. Okay, students, you can see the example of some chemical reactions. Okay, dear students, when petrol, kerosene burn in the air, it converts into gaseous state, means fuel are liquid, fuel like petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay, when these burns, it convert into gaseous state, so we can say the state is changed. In case of color, dear students, when a substance potassium iodide solution reacts with the lead nitrate solution. The solution becomes yellow due to formation of new substance that is called lead iodide. So, during the reaction, you can see the color is changed. So, it is a chemical reaction. Dear students, when zinc that is solid react with the sulfuric acid, okay, a gas that is called hydrogen release, means during the reaction gas can release. Okay students, chemical reactions may be either exothermic or endothermic. Exothermic means in which the heat is released from the reaction mixture, okay, and endothermic in which the heat energy is absorbed, okay. During the exothermic, heat is released. When heat release, the temperature of the system in which reaction takes place rise, and in the endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed by the system. During this change, during this type of reactions, temperature of system decreases. Means we can say in a chemical reactions there may be change of temperature. Temperature either rise or falls. This depends upon the nature of chemical reaction. Dear students, formation of precipitate during the chemical reaction on another substance in the form of solid formed and settled down, or some substance deposited in the form of crystals at the upper surface of the liquid mixtures during the reaction. Such solid substances are called precipitate. Okay, dear students. Now we talk about the next portion of the chemical reaction. In chemical reactions, there are two type of substances. One which is going to react with each other. Such type of substance are called reactants. And the another substance which is formed just after the reactions, means you can say after the change, the new substance that is formed is called product. See, you can say in this way, in a chemical reaction, substances which react with each other are called reactants, and the new substances that are formed are called a product. Okay, dear students, after this we will study the word equation in the form of symbols and formula. Overall, you can say we will discuss here a chemical equation. Okay, students, there are some questions for you. Give me answer in yes or no. Is burning of candle a chemical reaction? Second, is freezing of water into ice a chemical reaction? Third, is reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water a chemical reaction? Fourth, In chemical reaction, there may be change of heat or not. Question 5. Is there change in color during the reaction? Okay, these 5 questions you may do it. Thanks and have a nice day. After this, in next topic, I will start the chemical reactions and balancing of the chemical reaction. Okay.